4 major ways living with purpose changes everything. Finding your purpose can be the big thing that changes your life. It's not a magical cure-all for the things that are maybe not so good in your life right now, but it can turn your attitude, your motivation, and your energy right around. It can be the secret sauce that helps you make those major shifts to upgrade your life and help to achieve more than you ever thought possible. Here are 4 ways your life can change once you commit to making your own roadmap to your best life. 1. You'll have abundant energy. When you know your life purpose and you're committed to going after it, your energy and motivation will soar. You'll have a reason to bounce out of bed every morning. Instead of your checklist feeling like a bunch of chores, they'll become the stepping stone to achieving your goals. If you're usually a couch potato, even going to the gym or for a run makes more sense. You want to be in the best possible shape to be the best possible you. 2. You're more engaged. Living with purpose means that life is more exciting. You have more drive and you're more engaged with life than ever before. There's no reason to hold yourself back or put off doing the things you want to do. Knowing your purpose helps you align everything and focus on what you want in your life. You're less likely to agree to things that don't fit with your purpose or to put off following your dream. 3. You'll see more opportunities. Finding your purpose can help you switch up your life glasses. Not to rose-colored glasses, but to ones that focus on opportunities all around you. When you know what you want, things will fall into place. Your expectations will change, and you'll know which opportunities to go for and which are merely distractions. Instead of your dream being one day maybe, it's front and center, and you'll be tuned in to look for the synchronicities that life puts in your path. 4. You will feel more fulfilled. Knowing and aligning with your life purpose helps you to feel fulfilled straight away. Even before you've achieved your goals, simply knowing you're set on the right path makes you more contented and grateful for the abundance that's already in your life. Living with purpose helps sustain you through the tough times and makes the good times all the sweeter.